Hello, today's topic is position of roots of a polynomial equation. If fx equals to 0 is a polynomial equation with real coefficients and a, b are two real numbers, such that f of a into f of b is less than 0, then the equation fx equals to 0 has at least one root which is real, or an odd number of real roots, or an odd number of real roots between a and b. Okay, in case if a and if b are of the same sign, let me take another color. In case f of a and f of b are of the same sign, then either no real root or an even number of real roots. Okay, of fx equals to 0 lie between a and b. Now we try to illustrate this with an example. Example: if a, b, c, d belongs to R such that if a, b, c, d belongs to R such that a is less than b less than c less than d, then the roots of the equation then the roots of the equation x minus a multiplied by x minus c plus 2 into x minus b multiplied by x minus d is equals to 0 are imaginary. The first option is are imaginary. The second option is are equal. The third option is a real and distinct line between a and b. Line between a and b. And the last option is real and distinct line between a and d. Between a and d. Okay, now I try to solve this problem. Let me take another color here. Okay, solution. First, we are to calculate the f of b which is nothing but 2 into a minus b into a minus d, as a minus b is less than 0 and a minus d is also less than 0. Therefore, we can say that f of a is greater than 0. Now, our next portion is f of b, which is equals to b minus a into b minus c. As b minus a is positive and b minus c, which is negative, therefore we can say that it is negative. And f of d is equals to d minus a multiplied by d minus b, as d minus a is positive and d minus b is also positive, therefore f of d is also positive. Okay, so carry forward. Thus, one root of f of x equals to 0 lies between a and b. Thus, we can say that one root is lies between a and b, as f of a multiplied by f of b is less than 0. And another root is lies between b and d, as f of b multiplied by f of d is less than 0. Okay, hence the roots of the given equation are real and distinct and between a and d. Hence the roots of the given equation are real and distinct and between a and d. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you very much.